Imagine having a modern entertainment app with a clean interface, smooth navigation, and support for all languages, all designed to provide a convenient experience on your Firestick or Android TV. In today's video, I will show you how to install it using the downloader app and walk you through the setup process step by step. Before we continue, here's a quick disclaimer. This tutorial is provided for educational and informational purposes only. It focuses on device setup and the downloader installation process. Please use applications responsibly and always follow your device guidelines, applicable terms of service, and local laws. To begin, we will use Downloader, a popular utility app available from the official App Store on supported devices. It provides a simple way to retrieve installation files and complete the setup process. If you enjoy practical Firestick and Android TV tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to Electronic Secret, turn on notifications, and leave a like if you find this guide helpful. Now let's get started. Install the downloader app if you haven't already. Complete its initial setup, then open your device settings and enable Install Unknown Apps for downloader if required. Launch Downloader. Enter the code displayed on your screen. And press go. Once the installation package loads, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After it's finished, tap Done. Then remove the temporary installation file to keep your device organized. Your installation is now complete. Take a few minutes to explore the app's interface, language preferences, and available settings to personalize your experience. If you would like to see more Firestick tutorials, Android TV guides, downloader tips, or device setup videos, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching Electronic Secret.